Welcome to the episode 13, guys. Today we are going to rebuild the VVTi. We are going to install the BC cam gear, which is the exhaust cam gear, the tensioner for the timing belt. Let's get started. This is aligned, laser aligned at the factory. So you have this hole here and this hole here. You need to be sure when you put back together, those holes are gonna be on the same spot. Get a sharp tool and mark the bottom metal, scratch it. And here you mark the outside and the inside, 10 millimeter. I'm just gonna loosen them. You take them out, you flip it around, put this on a vise or somewhere that this can fall down. Put a socket on the bottom and just tap a little bit and it will come out. Mine, I felt that's coming off already, so we're good here. This is the gasket we're going to replace. Take it out. You see that's thin. See the markings? See, this is the one I made. And on the other side, there's two cuts in there. I'm gonna get some oil. And I want to be sure that the gear is actually full of oil. Done. If I flip it, this is gonna fall. So this is where it's missing, this is where it is right here. So this is what we do. We stretch this back and forth. Okay. There you go. Gonna hold like this. Get the circle on circle. I'm gonna line that. And I'm gonna put blue Loctite in all of those bolts. I'm not gonna tight all the way. There you go. There you go. So now we need to torque those bolts at 10 foot-pound. Problem is, everything is oily and there's no way to hold it. So the best way is this. Put in the engine. You get here, hold the camshaft, and then you torque, you do your torque. With that all done, just be sure that your markings are there. See, I can see a little bit in there, but I can also see a little bit in here, so we're good there. Same thing here. So the VVTi changed the degrees that you're gonna run, on that case, on the intake. If you get this wrong and you think that you're doing 10 degrees, you might be doing 15. So it's not good. So for the VVTi, basically that's it. We need to put this line in there. There's a little banjo bolt with a filter in front of it. This goes inside here. So first thing, you gotta take this 10 millimeter bolt out of here. Get this here. Be sure that the filter is in place. Everything looks clean. So for the solenoid, we need to be sure that it goes in all the way. And then you have a 10 millimeter here to hold this in place. It's just hand tight. There you go. Now this here, and that's the bottom one right here. This should align very good here on the cam gears, where the cam gears go. And we have 4 bolts. I would suggest to put some blue Loctite just in case this falls. Your timing belt is going to be right here. So blue Loctite and hand tight like that. Small wrench. So now we're going to get the BC cam gear. We're going to put it in there. I'm also going to put a drop of Loctite, just blue Loctite, 17 millimeter, and we're going to tighten. This one, on the other hand, you put in there, rotate a little bit, and then it goes in. So we take the valve cover off. We get a wrench like this, and we put the wrench right in here on the camshaft. There is a place you put in there, and then we're going to torque this at 59 foot-pound. Nice. And now we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other one. Get this in here, put it in there. Now we need to install the tensioner pulley. For the tensioner pulley, I got this upgraded from Drift Motion. new bolt, new everything. I put a little bit of NICs. There's not a lot I can put because this is very, very tight. And you put this washer on the back and you go of your business installing that. So 26 foot-pound. And that's it for today, guys. Leave a little comment down here. Check out the description. I put all these steps, where you go, jump from parts of the video, what I'm doing. So if you're not interested, you can jump to the part that you're interested. In short, the engine is basically ready. So don't miss the next episode. A bunch of cool stuff coming. Yeah, subscribe, like, share, and see you the next one.